Alright, this is the iLamp. This is a desktop lamp that I make out of a G4 Apple iMac, and you can see I just kind of switched around the original computer and make a lamp out of it. They call it the lampshade iMac or the sunflower iMac. They had a couple different names for it, but I just basically take these old computers and turn them into lamps. You can see under here we've got a LED bulb and a socket ran off of a simple pull chain. It's all polished chrome hardware, and you can see the bulb in here looks pretty cool. The diode's on the LED light right there. It's kind of neat to get a peek of it through the disk drive tray hole there. And coming on down the base, if you remember the LCD screen panels of these bases, the lamp still maintains the same tilt and swivel that the screen had, so that's kind of a neat thing to see it just bend down like that, and that shade stays perfectly level. And then just a little pull chain to turn it off and turn it back on. I use a 4100 Kelvin bulb in here, so it's a neutral white. You can use a different bulb, but a warm white bulb kind of tends to make the shade look a little bit yellow, and a cool white bulb makes it look kind of blue. This is a nice neutral white. Down on the bottom here, this is my original prototype actually, so I haven't resurfaced this base plate yet, but if there's any imperfections or scratches, usually on all the ones I sell, I resurface this base plate by basically putting it on a lathe and sanding this all off in a circular motion, so I kind of maintain this circular pattern here, and then I re-sandblast that Apple logo back into the middle so it looks like this when it's finished, but all of this lettering around the bottom and any imperfections and scratches and stuff like that, I can pretty much get those out, and it's a nice clean look when I get done. So on the bottom here you can see the motherboard is still down there. It's kind of neat to see all that circuitry and stuff like that, and then simply a Apple USB wall charger built into the bottom, so you can run your power cord for your iPhone out the back, and you can charge your iPhone off of your iLamp if it's sitting in your office or on an end table or something like that. And we have all the ports in the back here, and then I use a braided cloth power cord. It's about 8 feet long, so plenty of length to plug it in if you're setting this thing on an end table or something like that. But all the hardware is polished and matches the arm. Looks pretty good in there, I think. So my project, I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. I've only built about 35 of these, 35 or 40, and I've got a couple ready to ship right now. They're kind of a hard computer for me to come across. They're kind of rare. But I do sell the DIY kit, so if you happen to have your own and you want to make your own lamp, you can order the kit. It comes with all the hardware necessary to turn your own G4 iMac into a lamp, and the step-by-step video instructions. And it is more of an involved DIY project, but nothing you should really be afraid of, and I'm always kind of available if you need to email me with a question or anything like that, and obviously you're free to make any modifications to the design you want. I try to make it as simple as possible for anyone with some standard tools to be able to do. So that's the iLamp. Just wanted to show it off a little bit, and thanks for watching.